Welcome to part 7 of this series. As always, I'll start again by giving you the solution from the last homework. Then we'll talk about scenes and how to create a main menu and some buttons. And finally, I'll give you the homework for the next video. So let's start with the resolution from the homework. Let's open Canvas and let's create a new text. Let's enable our game over text, see what you are doing. Drag the text down, right. Wait, let's increase the font size so we can actually see anything, and increase the box. Score, let's say, as a default, time alive, say 500 seconds, whatever. It will change when we die, so it's just a template. Let's add a component. Let's add a shadow and change the color to white so we can actually see the text. Yeah, it's not pretty, but yeah, if you want to spend time changing it, you can. And let's name it final score text. Let me fix the typo. Okay, now let's open our UI manager. Let me zoom a little. Yeah, this should be fine. And let's add a new variable here. Public test final score text. Let me just reopen the Visual Studio because it's not working. Okay, it's fine now. Now when we do the game over, we need to update the text. So final score text dot text equals score plus our current score to change line you type this, don't forget the plus before, and now we need to say the seconds alive. We can just add this text here. Let me check. Yeah, it should work now. Let's try it. Don't forget to drag the final score here. Let's try it now. Yeah, so we had 0 score and we were live for 3 seconds. Let's try that again. Let me just catch this. We have 10 score. Yeah, it works now. We just need to enable it just when we die. So let's go back to the script. Create another variable. Final score screen. And here you do the same. Set active true. Now we need to drag it there. And it should work now. Yeah. Let's just hide the score and seconds alive on top. It makes no sense for them to appear when we die. So let's go back to the script. Add more two references here. One for the score panel and seconds panel. And let's deactivate them when the game is over. So score panel set active false and seconds panel dot set active false. Now save it, go back to Unity, and we just need to drag it. So game over. No, not game over, sorry. Score and time. Now everything should work fine. This style, and it works. And that's it for the homework. Now let's go into today's lesson. So let's create a main menu for our game. By now you should have a somewhat good idea of what you need to do that. You need a UI with some buttons you can click, and then it closes our game, right? You could, in theory, create them here and disable everything and enable when you press play, but that's just insanity. There's a better way to do it. We just add a new scene. So let's save this scene. And let's create a new one. Go to File, New Scene. And now we have a new scene we can work on. So let's right click, UI, add a canvas. On the right side, don't forget scale with screen size and set it to 0.5. Now right click on the canvas, UI, and let's add a button. Let's change the text, expand it, text, right play, Control C, Control V to copy it, expand it, change the text to quit, move it down. Now we have two buttons, right? We can click them if you press play. But nothing will happen. We need to create a script for them. Let's just do another thing. Right click on the canvas, UI, select panel, and change the color to a darker one. And send it back. Okay, so we can see the menu better. Let's change the name. Let's say play button and quit button. And now let's create our script. By the way, we forgot to drag our UI manager to the script folder, so let's do that. Let's create a new script now. Let's name it main menu manager. Let's open it. To start with, we need to go on top here and write using Unity engine dot scene management. We can delete this, we don't need them. Let's create a public function and let's name it start game. And inside we just need to write scene manager dot load scene. And now inside we need to tell what scene to load. To know that, go to Unity, go to build settings, and this scene is our game scene. Let's add our main menu scene. We just need to press add open scenes. Before that, sorry, you need to save the scene first. So file, save as, scenes, write main menu, and save it. Now we can actually add it. Go again to build scene, build settings, and add open scene, and it's here. Now, when you build a game and run it, the first scene to load is the one that's on top, the number 0. We want that to be the main menu, so let's move that up. So our main menu is the scene number 0, and our game is the scene number 1. We want to load this one, so we need to tell it to load scene number 1. So close this, go back to the script, and here you just write 1. Now we need to say that when you click this button, it needs to load that scene. So select the button, and if you scroll down on the inspector, you have this thing here called onClick. You click on the plus sign, you drag the canvas because that's where you have the script, and you select the function where is it? Start game, sorry, I was blind for a second. In theory it should work now. Let's try it. Don't forget to save it. So we press play and it loads our game. And everything works. Now let's do the same thing for the quit button. Let's go back to our script. Create a new function. Public void quit game, and you write application dot quit. Keep in mind, this will not work on the editor. You need to actually build your game for it to work. So if you save it, open Unity, go to quit button, add a new one, drag our canvas, main menu, and quit game. If you press play, it will not work. You need to go to file, build settings, and actually build your game, and it will work then. But we don't need to do that now. Just save it. And now let's go back to our game scene. Go to file, open scene, scenes, and open our sample scene. And now let's make it when we press escape, it goes to our main menu. So select our cube. For now, let's add it to the player movement. So open that. Go to our update and let's create a new one here. So if input dot get key code escape. Don't forget to go up here and write using Unity engine dot scene management. You can just go here and copy. Go copy this, go down here, paste it here, And don't forget to change the 1 to 0 because it's our main menu scene. So if you save it and now you play the game, if you press escape, it goes to our main menu, you press play, it restarts the game. So it's not really that hard to change scenes and make buttons work. You just need to add the scene management and use this. Don't forget that the function needs to be public in order the buttons to see them. If they are private, they won't appear. So leave them public. And that's basically it for today's video. Now I'm going to give you the homework. So for the homework, I want you to create a new scene where it shows the credits of the game. So let's go back to our scenes main menu. So it says play, quit, and in the middle it says credits. You click it, you click credits, and it shows your name or whatever you want. And then it has a button below that says back. You press it and you go back to the main menu. It shouldn't be hard to do that. If you have trouble, just rewatch the video. If you have any troubles or questions, leave them down below. I will try to help you. And I'll see you on the next video.